Yo, good day, everyone. It's still your boy Sensible. Welcome back to my channel. This video I'm coming to teach you how you can adjust your stop losses. And some people do not understand what is stop loss and take profit. Stop loss simply means that account you don't want to lose all the money. If you don't want to lose all the money you have in your account, that's when you will put a stop loss. In case you have let me say you have $200 in your account, you are trading with $200 in your account, and you don't want to lose all the $200, but you want to lose only $10, you want to lose $20. That's when you will set a stop loss. But if you are willing to lose all the money, you can leave the stop loss. So the stop loss simply means you're willing to lose the money, all the money you have in your account. You don't want to be liquidated. So you can just set it that, okay, if I lose $10, let me go off the market. If I lose $20, let me go off the market. And also, what is take profit? Take profit simply means the vice versa. You want to make 50% of your money, 20% of your money, or 10% of your money, or 5% of your money. So you just set it. When you set it, it will, when the target hit, it will automatically execute the trade for you. But if you don't set it, you'll just be going. The reason why they set it is because you can be sleeping, or you can be doing something else. Before you know it, the price will go, you'll be in profit. By the time you open your eyes, it came to hit your stop loss and it liquidates you. It finished all the money in your account if you don't set stop loss or take profit. So stop loss and take profit simply means that the profit you are willing to get, and the amount of money you are willing to lose. So I'm going to teach you how you can adjust the stop loss, or how you can adjust the take profit. So let me say you are in a trade. As you are in a trade, you see that the trade is just playing around your take profit, or you see that the take profit is too far from or you see that the take profit is too close to the entry zone, and you want to adjust it. So you just go to your trade, you come to your account, you click on futures. As you come to futures, you are in a trade already, this is the position. So you are coming to click on here, stop profit and loss. Stop profit and loss. So you click on it. So as you click on it, this is how it will come. So you move it to, you see position TP and SL, position TP and SL. So you click on that one too. So it will come like this. When it come like this, if you want to adjust the take profits, it's here. And if you want to adjust the stop loss, it's here. So as you can see, so you click on it, then you type the amount when it triggers. So let me say this is Ethereum I'm trading, so I want Ethereum to hit 1845. So that means I'm coming to make $8. I haven't seen it. I'm coming to make $8 when Ethereum hit $1,845. And how much am I willing to lose? So I'm saying when Ethereum gets to 1793, I should be able to get out of the trade. So I'm willing to lose what? Almost $4, as you can see it over here. As you can see it over here, I'm almost losing what? 3.96. And my when it get to my take profits, this is how much I'll make. 8.8 $8. Yeah, let me say $8. Yeah. Then after you set it, then you click on what? Confirm. After you set it, then you just click on what? Confirm. When you confirm, it will just execute for you. So that is how, even if you want to close your trade, you just click on what? Close all, then all of them will just close. Yeah. So that is how you adjust your take profit, or you adjust your stop loss. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, au revoir. Subscribe to my channel, don't forget, it's very important to me. Kindly subscribe, yeah. And share, so that we'll get more and more people to subscribe, and more, and we grow bigger and better.